Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. Another feature which we are going to explore is what we call the Magic Expand. So basically, ang ginagawa ng Magic Expand is it helps us expand this photo dun sa format. Let's say we want to put it dun sa whole page na to. So the AI will generate what's outside of the framing of this photo. And then maganda rin nito, let's say if you are handling different social media pages, let's say you're handling TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, alam naman natin na iba-iba yung mga social media content sizes na ginagamit natin for each of the social media pages. It will be very helpful for us kapag magre-repurpose tayo ng content. So, what we're going to do is you just click on the photo. Tingnan natin sa whole page niya. So, pag in-extend natin siya, kulang. Okay, so may white space pa rin dito. So, ang gagawin ni Magic Expand is we're going to click this one and then go to edit photo. And then, let's just click on Magic Expand. And then, depende kung ano yung size na gusto nyo. Let's say, you want to cover the whole page, or you want yung 1:1 na proportion, or any sizes na gusto ninyo. So, ayan yung mga ito yung mga sizes na ng mga social media content sizes natin, no? So, let's say I want to expand the image para ma-cover yung buong page. So, you just have to click on this. And then you click on Magic Expand. And then let us just wait for it to load. And then let's see how Magic Expand works. Ayan, so nag-expand na yung ating photo compared yung kanina na hindi niya na-cover yung buong page. Ngayon, from this, you can also choose different options because there are 4 options here. So, kung saan dito yung hindi masyadong halata, yung part na nag-expand, you can choose whichever you want here. And then, let's also try to use another one. Let's say this example. So, same thing. Hindi rin niya mako-cover yung whole page. So, what we're going to do is, let's do the same thing. Edit photo. And then, Magic Expand. And then, let's try to cover the whole page again. And then, click Magic Expand. And let's just wait for Canva to generate itong expanded na version ng ating photo. So, there you go. It has already covered the whole page na. And then, again, you will have a different 4 options. And then, kung hindi kayo satisfied dun sa results, you can always generate new results here. So, that's how we use the Magic Expand.